While transferring the data from my hard disk to laptop, accidentally I gave a wrong command, and the entire data, which was approximately about 10-12 years old data, which included my official as well as personal data, got lost in the process. Hello, good afternoon. My name is Deepankar Ghosal. Actually, while transferring the data from my hard disk to laptop, accidentally I gave a wrong command, and the entire data, which was approximately about 10-12 years old data, which included my official as well as personal data, got lost in the process. I was perplexed and I absolutely did not know what to do. I called my friend. He advised me to go to some software engineer. I went to the software engineer. He tried a lot of things. Nothing happened. No results. At the end, I asked for a suggestion. He said that you can try Stellar, and that's in Gurgaon in Sector 30. So I said, what they will do differently than what you can do. So that's हिंदी में उन्होंने बताया कि सर वो तो गड़े मुर्दे से भी उसकी बायोडाटा निकाल लेते हैं. So I got that impression and then came here. And once I came here, I gave my SSD card. Unfortunately, in the first attempt, nothing much came out from the SSD card because it was overwritten while I was doing certain exercise with the software engineer. Maybe he has tried to recover, and nothing could be recovered, and because of that the data got overwritten. And so unfortunately the first attempt was not successful. However, I requested the staff here, and they were really very cordial, and they were really cooperative, uh, and they adjusted in fact my payment also for the second attempt. And in that second attempt I gave the hard disk from where I was actually copying to the into the laptop. So the hard disk was taken, and within within 3 days, 4 days, they called me up and they said, "Sir, आपका data ready है." And when I came here, absolutely, uh, I would say, point blank, the data was ready, and all the data which was there in that hard disk was there. And I was really very happy to see that my uh, accumulation of data which was there for the last 10-12 years, I could recover, and that gives me a lot of satisfaction. And the kind of uh, professionalism which uh, I uh, I acquainted here by coming here is really very good. Every person is a professional person. They and by the gestures and by the way they follow the systems, it is very clear that the company is following a lot of systems, internal systems, and I'm sure their customer ratings would definitely be much higher than should be much higher than what it is today. So that is it. My experience was in the category of excellence, and I'm really very happy to be to having come here and recovered my data which was lost. Thank you very much.